Good day, my viewers. This is Ayodele Samuel Jude, your smart tutorial founder. Still on the continuation of the topic bearing and distance, where we give you just the basis that will enable you to solve complex questions. Because I always believe, as a student and a tutorial master, that complex questions are formed by multiple basis questions. What I'm trying to say is that complex questions is just the collection of simple questions together before it becomes complex. So when you understand the simple or the basic questions in a particular complex questions, you should be able to solve complex question as a student. So that is how I work. And I'm not here to solve questions for you, but to make you understand the basis, the foundation, and the totality of a particular topic. Are you with me? Now, today, in my previous videos, I've made some videos on some basic things you need to know under bearing. Today is just the continuation. This video is just the continuation of this similar topic under bearing and distance. Today we are going to be looking at how to draw cardinal point on two or more points depending on the questions. Now we are going to be looking at these particular questions, even though I said I'm not going to be solving questions, but we need questions to know all these things. So that is why I will be solving these particular questions, but it might not be like your common known questions. Now, before we go into the questions, in any question under bearing and distance, there are two terms you have to take notes. And these two terms, the first one is from. What is the meaning of from? What are you supposed to do when you hear from? When you hear from in a particular question under bearing and distance, it's calling your attention. That is where you have to start your diagram. That is the meaning. I doubt if any teacher has ever told you that. So, it means where you should stop. When you start from that point, you have to go to another point and stop there. So you have to take note of from and to. These are bearing and distance terms that I discovered on my own after several practices. Now, let's look at this question. If A is 36 degrees from B, the first question is, what is the bearing of B? I put star on this question because this question is very simple and is not common. So don't expect this type of question because it's too simple. The next question is, what is the bearing of B from A? You are seeing it. From bearing and distance, they like this word from. What is the bearing of A from B? There are two different questions. And what is the direction of A from B? You know the meaning of direction, that arrow. Where those arrows, the points at which the arrows is going. Is it going to the west? Is it going to the north? Is it between north and west? Is it between east and south? That is what they are asking, the direction of those arrows. This one bearing is just degree. Now, let's start from the question. If A is 036 degrees from B, go to the middle of your notes. This is our note for today. So we go to the middle of the note. We first of all want to draw our four cardinal points, but you have to choose a point first. We have chosen a point. But this point, what is the name of this point that we have chosen? This point, what is the name? The name, is it A or B? If A is 36 from B, it is not A because from B is here. So this point is from B. You have to start your diagram drawing it from B. From B. A is 36 degrees from B. Are we together? So are we together now? That is, we draw our horizontal line. Don't forget, this point is what? Point B. Then, what are we going to do next? We draw the 4 cardinal points on that point B. This is north, south, west, and east. This B, we need to draw 36 degrees on it. This is B, 36 degrees. There is no north, south, west, east. So we have to start from 0, which is north, 36. So 36 I could have stopped here, but I want us to have a separate, this my board is not big enough. So that is why I always tell you, when you want to draw your cardinal point, always make sure there is space around the 4 cardinal points so that it will make your work neater. So this is point B, this is 36. Finish with what you have here. From north to east is 90. Now, 90 minus 36, that will give us 54. That is, the remaining part here is what? 54 degrees. Are we together? 36 stops here. 54 stops here. This is B. Now, we have completed the diagram on B. Now, we are moving to A. You choose a point also. You choose a point. After the point, draw horizontal line. Then draw a vertical line on that same point. That point, draw horizontal line and vertical line on that same point. Name it north, south, west, and east. Now, this is point A. This is point A. You don't necessarily need to put the A on it. Just put the A around it. A, this is B. Now, the first question is, what is the bearing of B? The bearing of B is 36. They did not say from any place. The bearing, that means the bearing of B is on B. It's 36. So the bearing of B is what? The bearing of B is 36 degrees. Nothing. They did not say from anywhere. They just say, what is the bearing of B? Now, look at this question. The second one is, what is the bearing of B from A? Now, if you look at A very well, the diagram on A is not complete because we have 36. If this side is 36, then the corresponding angle here also will be what? 36. This is 54. Opposite, the one here also will be what? 54 degrees. 36. Other side 36. 54. The other side is what? 54. Because this is vertical line, this is vertical line. So if you look at the corresponding angle here, the corresponding angle that is under geometry, you have to know all these simple rules. So it gives us, this is 54 degrees, 36 degrees. Now, the question is, what is the bearing of B from A? So we have to go to A and check. Bearing of A now. So we start from the north until we get to that line. This is the line that joins the two of them together. So you stop. So here is what? 90, 90, 36. That is the answer. That is 90 plus 90 plus what? 36, which is 200 and what? 216. What is the bearing of B from A? The big question is what? 200 and what? 16 degree. Are we together? 200 and what? 16 degree. There is no space. That's why I'm writing everything on this part. Is that taking place? Forgive me. The next question, C. Okay, let me just. B is what? The answer to B is what? 206 degree. A is what? 036 degree. B is 216. C, what is the bearing of A from B? The bearing of A from B. From B means go to B. Go to B. Go to B. Start from B. Start from B. Start from B. Start from B. This is B. So you start from the north and draw. This is the line, 36. So this C is what? 36 degree. Then the next one, the last question, what is the direction of A from B? Direction of A from B. You have to go to what? Go to B. They can ask you what is the direction of B from A also. But this question is what is the direction of A from B? The direction of A from B, you have to go to where? To B. This is point B. This point is B. The direction is going towards this direction. The direction is northeast, northeast, northeast. So you can say is what? The direction is what? Northeast. If you want to be specific, you can say north, you can say north 036 degree east, or you can say 036 degree north east. So that is the question that is the answer regarding the direction. Direction talk about the arrow. The arrow is coming from north towards east. North towards east. So that is that regarding to these questions. I hope I've been able to give you some things to chew. So you can write this question, practice it again, and go back to your textbook. Pick up some questions, try to practice them. If you cannot get if you can't get the answers or the solutions to those questions, take a picture of it, send it to the Smart Tutorial platform on Facebook. I will be there to answer you. Some other teachers are also there to give explanation. If you have any question or if you have anything you want to contribute, maybe you feel there's one or two things I need to do, just make your comment, or there is something new that you have gained or something you want us to explain better under this topic, just put it on the comment section below. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button so that you can always get our next video that will be uploaded on this platform. So share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.